While America fights with weapons, China fights with gold, debt, and silence. This is part 3 of the Dollar Collapse series, and what you're about to learn will change how you see global power. China isn't just rising, it's planning. Quietly, strategically, and without firing a single bullet, China is dismantling the US dollar's global control. This isn't a war of tanks and missiles. It's a war of currency, commodities, and debt. And China is winning. Let's start with gold. While the West sells gold to stay afloat, China has been aggressively buying it. For over a decade, the People's Bank of China has been stockpiling gold behind closed doors, now holding more than 2,300 tons officially, and possibly much more off the record. Why? Because gold is trust, and when fiat currencies collapse, gold becomes power. If the dollar fails, China wants its yuan to be seen as a stable, gold-backed alternative. Then comes debt. China is the largest foreign holder of US Treasury bonds, but it's been slowly dumping them. At the same time, it's been lending billions to countries in Africa, Asia, and Latin America through the Belt and Road Initiative. These nations don't just owe China money, they owe China allegiance. It's a quiet shift of economic gravity away from Washington and toward Beijing. And then there's the digital yuan, a fully government-controlled digital currency already being tested across major Chinese cities. Unlike Bitcoin or Ethereum, the digital yuan isn't decentralized. It's controlled, trackable, and programmable. If it becomes widely adopted in global trade, especially among BRICS nations, it could bypass the US dollar entirely. This isn't speculation. It's happening. Major oil contracts between China and the Middle East are now being settled in yuan. Countries under US sanctions are turning to China for financial alternatives. Even Russia is conducting trade in yuan as the dollar becomes politically risky. While the US is distracted with internal division and global military distractions, China is laying the foundation for a post-dollar world. They're using gold to back trust, debt to build influence, and tech to control money. It's not flashy, it's not loud, but it's powerful, and when the dust settles, the world may not use the dollar anymore. It might use the yuan, or something far more dangerous, a China-controlled digital system that replaces both freedom and fiat. In Part 4, we'll break down how the digital currency revolution will change your money forever and who will really control it. China's not waiting for war, it's already winning with gold, debt, and digital control. Hit that like button and subscribe to InvestingBloom. Part 4 is coming, and it'll explain how your money and your freedom are about to change.